Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a beautifully designed 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house in Lower Works, Black River, St. Elizabeth. The land area of this house is approximately 10,890 square feet or 0.25 acres. The house comes with a garage and good land space. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 27 million or US $175.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.